Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am caking a pink square cake. It is somewhat of an abstract cake, so I don't exactly know what to title it, but it's very, very pretty. So I'm starting out with I baked a 10-inch square cake and I cut it into 4 semi-equal sections. It looked equal when I was cutting it, but as you can see, it's a little off, but we can fix that with a little buttercream, so don't worry. So each square was 5 inches, and I'm just crumb coating my cake as normal. A little bit later, I'll show you a trick that I use to get sharper edges on a square cake. So now that it's a little bit later, the trick that I use is I put my cake back in the fridge several times. So this is me putting it in the fridge. It looks kind of rough, but that will allow the buttercream to firm up a bit and I can just fill in those crevices and dents and things and smooth it out with my scraper. And I did this about maybe 3 times or about 15 minutes each, and you just use your palette knife to make the top edge straight, scrape off that extra buttercream, and that's the trick. I wanted a bit of marble texture on the outside of my fondant, so I had some extra pinks and a bit of coral, and I am just folding it into each other to create a marble effect. The more you fold, the more blended your marble will be. If you want a more bold marble look, then don't fold as much. So I'm just rolling this out to about an 1/8 inch thickness, and I'm going to wrap it around my cake. Ah, the torn edge. Don't you just love a torn edge? Cake is so elegant with the pinks and marbles, and then you just tear an edge and it's like instant contrast, but it works. So I ripped this fondant up a bit to make it look weathered and torn, and then I brought out some gold luster. Again, everything is better with gold. And guess what? I do have a coupon code to the sugar art that you are getting exclusively with this video. You will find it in the description box, and you can save 15% off of your gold luster too. On to the paper sail or palm leaf. I don't know if you saw that price, but that says 79 cents. I went to the craft store. I actually found this trick on TikTok from Jill of All Cakes, and I'm so appreciative of her. I don't know if she watches my videos, but I love her. So I found this paper at the craft store, and I simply cut out like a bulb shape. I don't know what shape this is. If you know, drop down in the comments and let me know. I simply cut it out, folded it in half, and folded it like a paper fan. We all had to do that in kindergarten, and we all should have passed kindergarten. So I know you know how to do this yourself. Look how cute that is. I love making these. It was so easy. Now I practiced on notebook paper first because I didn't want to waste my 79 cents. And you'll see I did a pink paper fan too, but they're pretty easy, and I'll show you a little bit later how I taped them and stuck them into my cake. There she is, the pink shimmer paper fan. So this was all shimmer paper. I forgot to say that. And these are the flowers I also picked up from the craft store. I rubber band them together and I stick them in a straw to stick them in my cake, so they are food safe. Now I'm just plotting and planning where I want my paper fans to go, and I take some tape and bamboo skewers. Ooh, Didn't think that would be so hard to say. And I tape the skewer to the inside of the fan and stick it in the cake. It's just that simple. You can paint the bamboo skewers if you want. I knew nobody was going to see the back of this cake, so it was fine. Look how easy that is. I added a bit of bas-relief, a little texture along the torn edge with this mold. I absolutely love this mold. I will leave it in the description box linked with all my other supplies. Ah, beautiful. I love this cake. If you loved it as much as I do, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. If you don't, keep that negativity to yourself, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.